Welcome to Choice Champions. The best sous vide cooker is probably one of the most innovative kitchen gadgets to hit the market in recent years, promising restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your own home. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the Anova Sous Vide Precision Cooker Kit, exploring its features, ease of use, and most importantly, whether it delivers on its promise of perfectly cooked meals every single time. Get ready to elevate your cooking game. Number 5. Anova Nano 2.0 Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Tired of overcooked or undercooked food? This device ensures your meals are cooked to perfection. It circulates water at the exact temperature needed, guaranteeing delicious results every time. With a temperature range of 0 to 92 degrees Celsius, this cooker offers incredible accuracy. You can be sure that it will maintain the perfect temperature for your food, ensuring the best possible outcome. Explore the world of sous vide cooking with this versatile tool. Whether it's chicken, fish, or vegetables, it locks in flavor and moisture. The result is a texture and taste that is simply unmatched. This compact cooker easily fits in any kitchen drawer. Its durable plastic construction makes it easy to clean. It's the perfect size to keep your counters clear while still being within easy reach. Control your cooking directly from the Anova app. You can also access a wealth of sous vide knowledge through the app's subscription service. It offers recipes, guides, and more to enhance your cooking experience. What we like. This precision cooker guarantees perfect results every time, ensuring your meals are never over or undercooked. Its compact design allows it to fit in any kitchen drawer, making it easy to store. If you are looking for a reliable and space-saving sous vide cooker with app control, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This item is so easy to use and your meat comes out perfect at the temperature you set it at. Beyond the packaging, out of the box, I downloaded the app to control the device. Pairing was nearly instant, took less than a second to find and pair. It sends a, presumably, random temperature reading to the device for you to verify on your phone to ensure proper pairing. The big difference is that the moisture does lock into the bird. Even the wings were still moist, and the breast was moist and fork tender. Also, the seasoning was more even throughout the meat. Number 4. SOUSVIDE Art Sous Vide Cooker Kit. This sous vide machine helps you cook like a chef. It provides consistent and even cooking, locking in the flavor, nutrients, and tenderness of your food every time. This kit includes everything you need to start cooking. It comes with a sous vide cooker, vacuum bags, a pump, sealing clips, and a cookbook. It's perfect for making restaurant-quality meals at home. The user-friendly controls allow you to set the time and temperature accurately. With this, you can achieve perfectly cooked steaks, chicken, and vegetables with precision. Keep your kitchen clean with this sous vide machine. The removable tube makes cleaning easy, and it operates ultra-quietly. You can easily store it in a drawer, saving space. Enjoy healthier meals with this machine. It requires no extra oils and retains more nutrients. You can effortlessly create endless dishes, from tender steaks to juicy veggies. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need to start cooking, including vacuum bags and a cookbook. The user-friendly LED touch panel makes it easy to set the time and temperature. If you are a beginner or looking for a complete sous vide solution, this kit provides everything you need for delicious, restaurant-quality meals at home. What people say. The Anova Sous Vide is a great product. The Anova circulator is very accurate and the app is easy to use. The Anova Precision Cooker is a great way to cook food. Number 3. Anova Precision Cooker Container 12L. This container was designed specifically for sous vide cooking. It features a patented hemiflow design with smooth, curved edges. This helps the water circulate efficiently and heat up quickly. Worried about water loss during long cooks? This container comes with a lid made of 100% silicone. It provides a tight fit to prevent evaporation, so you can cook without worry. The removable cooking rack keeps your food perfectly positioned. It ensures everything stays submerged throughout the cooking process. Handles are conveniently placed for easy access. It has a unique 3 mm raised base. This protects surfaces from prolonged heat exposure, even without a trivet. It's designed to keep your counter safe. Designed in San Francisco, California, it comes with a 5-year warranty. Anova also provides thousands of free sous vide recipes in their app. Join the hashtag #AnovaFoodNerds worldwide. What we like. This container is designed to work seamlessly with your sous vide cooker, featuring efficient water circulation and a lid to prevent evaporation. The built-in protection ensures the safety of your surfaces. If you like to cook for long periods or need a container specifically designed for sous vide, this is the perfect addition to your setup. What people say. Love this container. Fits great on kitchen counter and works great with our Anova. Works great and is the perfect size for 2 people. Container comes with a rack to stop food from floating above water line and a lid to stop evaporation. Very convenient. Number 2. Yedi Infinity Sous Vide Cooker. This is the Yedi Infinity Sous Vide Cooker. It heats and circulates water to a precise temperature. This allows you to cook your food perfectly every time. The Infinity uses oxygen technology, with its unique octagonal shape. This design ensures even heat distribution, eliminating cool spots for consistent cooking results. The deluxe kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with a hand pump, vacuum-sealed bags, container clips, sealing clips, and a recipe book. With 1000 watts of power, this cooker heats up quickly. It's also designed to be ultra-quiet, so you can enjoy Michelin quality results without the noise. Purchase with confidence knowing it comes with a 1-year warranty and a 90-day return policy. It's also free of harmful chemicals, ensuring healthy cooking. What we like. The oxygen technology ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked food. The deluxe accessory kit includes everything you need, and it heats up fast. If you want a sous vide cooker with advanced technology and a comprehensive accessory kit, this one is a great choice. What people say. The controls are easy to understand and read. Works exactly as expected. Very easy to use, and very quiet. Water temperature is very accurate. This package includes bags and a suction pump. The octagonal shape seems to work well at circulating the warmed water evenly. The temperature is accurate measured by my thermometers. I was surprised how quickly the water bath heated. The steaks did come out perfectly. Number 1. MOMODA Sous Vide Bags, Reusable Vacuum Seal Kit. Introducing the upgraded electric vacuum pump. It's designed for easy and clean air removal, eliminating the hassle of alignment. This makes sealing the bags a breeze. These reusable bags keep food fresh up to 5 times longer. This helps to reduce waste and save money. They are perfect for meal prepping and sous vide cooking. Cleaning the bags is simple with dish soap and warm water. After cleaning, just store them in a clean, dry place. These bags are great for sous vide and general food storage. The kit includes a handheld vacuum pump and bags suitable for all types of food. Take them with you for picnics, camping, or travel. They are very convenient. The package includes 2 sizes of sous vide bags, bag clips, zipper clips, and the upgraded electric vacuum pump. Everything you need is right here. What we like. This set includes an upgraded electric vacuum pump for easy sealing and reusable bags that lock in freshness. It is portable and versatile, perfect for various cooking and storage needs. If you are looking for a convenient way to store food and enhance your sous vide experience, this set is ideal. What people say. These serve as reusable vacuum bags, sous vide cooking bags and freezer bags all in one. I got tired of wasting dollar on chips, crackers, etc. that go stale a couple of days after opening the package. I was going to buy a vacuum sealer machine but then saw this. I tried it out on freeze-dried apple chips. The rechargeable handheld vacuum was easy to use and did the job just fine, and the bags hold their seal well enough for my purposes. I play around in cooking just enough to be dangerous, but I couldn't screw these up. Worked great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.